a couple months. I kept thinking it was going to get better, or I could stretch it out. And I didn't really know how to proceed. I had to go to my primary care physician, and they recommended this physical therapy for me. Well, I really started over a year ago, and it's been various things, but I was having terrible pain on the inside of my legs, so that one specific on my left leg, and I wasn't able to walk without pain. I couldn't hike. It was hard to golf. And it was, I felt like I wasn't getting to live my life the way I wanted to live. So it was interfering with my life. And then I was referred here, and immediately I felt like I not only got the care that I needed, but exercises, stretches. So it wasn't that I just came here once and then I went home and then I came here. I could continue with my treatment at home as long as I was willing to take on that responsibility. And I also had more of a therapeutic treatment when I'm here, and that was really nice as well. Yes, I mean, you try hot, cold, stretching, as I mentioned. I mean, even chiropractic help. But when things get to be in tendons and muscles, and sometimes I don't think the chiropractor helped. So that's why I needed something else. Yeah, never before. My husband had. In fact, he came here after knee surgery, and I didn't quite know what to expect, but I know that there is a lot of work involved. And some people think physical therapy is you just go and they fix you, but you have to be able to commit to it and do the exercises. And if you do those exercises and stretches, you're going to see results. It's like anything in life. Don't wait. Don't wait till it gets worse. I've done that prior to coming here with another injury. I remember my very first experience even with chiropractic. It was a heel pain, and I let it go for a year. And then it went up into my hip because I started walking funny. So don't wait. You can fix things in a month, maybe even in a couple sessions. You're on your way to feeling better, so don't wait. Gosh, it's a very pleasant place, very welcoming, very friendly. I've got to see several physical therapists, and they're all very knowledgeable. They all have their own different specialties, I feel, and the therapies were things I've never had experience. The cupping and the dry needling and just kind of acupressure and the massages really help loosen the tight areas and the areas that I was concerned about. So it's been a really wonderful experience to get back to the activities I want to do. And as I get older, I want to make sure that I can stay active. So if you don't seek treatment, it's going to get worse and worse, and you're going to move less and less, which makes it worse and worse. So I've learned that moving your body is really important, and you have to take care of it in order for it to work. And along the way, there were other things that cropped up, and then I would come and I'd get some different exercises or different therapies for it. And I felt like I was very much listened to, and that how I feel was being taken into account, and nobody was telling me how to feel or the expectations. So I really appreciate that. I felt listened to.